In the Middle Ages, sneezing wasn't just annoying, it was terrifying. People believed that every sneeze could let evil spirits enter your body, or worse, that your soul could escape with it. Some thought a sneeze meant death was coming. So what did they do? They said, "God bless you," not as a polite habit, as a literal prayer for your life. In some places, people even carried herbs or charms to block spirits during a sneeze. And during the plague, a sneeze could mean you had days left to live. That's how one tiny sound became a global reflex. Subscribe for more weird history you've never heard in school.